Wow.
Life is only about experiences, so let's share them together.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna test a product that is called Blackhead Pro by Smart Bud. I actually saw this on TikTok and I was so curious to try. Basically, it's blackhead remover with a camera, so you can actually see the blackheads coming out. Yeah, so I'm really excited to try these products because I usually pick my skin with my finger and I always leave marks. But it's been some time that I haven't picked my skin because I said that, you know what, it's summer, so I don't want to leave any scars, especially if you don't wear any makeup. I said no, I need to try this product and I'm gonna make a video about it. I haven't tried it, so I'm gonna try it for the first time with you and see how actually good it is. So basically it comes in this package. I'll show you. And it's pretty big as well. I didn't expect that it was that big. So this is the product. It has different power section, and then there is the option that you can connect it to your phone and you can actually see the blackheads coming out. It comes with a charger too. Here says applied hot compress before use to open pores. This will make it easier for blackheads to be removed. It comes with different head suction, and each of them has their own purpose. So I'm gonna try that is called middle round tip, which is suitable for areas with more secretion. So I got my towel here. It's a bit big. I didn't have a smaller towel, and I got my hot water here. I don't have the facial steamer. So I will leave this towel on for about, let's say 10 minutes. So guys, waiting for these 10 minutes. I feel like I'm not doing it correctly. I don't feel like it's much heat coming from the towel. But let's try our best. So guys, that was a failed attempt. After 3 minutes the towel just got cold. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use that old grandma remedy. I got here with me boiling water in a container. So what I'm gonna do, I just put essential oils in it, and I'm just gonna pull my hair closer to this bowl, and I'm gonna cover my head for 10 minutes. It's just easier. I think I'm done. I can't do this anymore. I'll start with the low section because I'm a bit scared. I've heard that people get bruised. So I think I need more power. Excuse me, what are you doing here? Nobody wants you now. Wow, I'm amazed. Wow, did you see that? Oh my god, did you see? That was disgusting. I really hope that I don't get bruised because it's a bit scary. I got a mark here. This is crazy. This is absolutely insane. I'm just so surprised. Like a small camera like this, you can clearly see, like, it's a really good camera. Look at that. Ugh. Oh, gosh, for the sun. But it looks pretty good though. Look, oh my god, this is disgusting. Hopefully tomorrow I'm not gonna wake up with a big bruise. I'm not gonna lie, it doesn't take everything out, but it takes out the majority of it. I don't know, I feel like that for my cheeks, it doesn't really work that well like my nose did. It takes out something, but not everything, you know? Let's switch the head with the first one, because something is taking out everything like I wanted to, you know? I don't know if you can see here, but I think here I'm gonna bruise. Maybe you should, all right. Maybe you should use it faster like this. I don't know if I'm scraping my face. Guys, I'm definitely bruising, you know. Oh my god. Why did I just bleed? I think that was a spot. So yeah guys, I think my skin cannot take it anymore. I really hope that I'm not gonna have bruises, but I think I will. So guys, what do you think about the product? Do you like it? Do you know anything better? If you know anything better, just leave a comment down below. I might try and do a review next time. And yeah, I think overall for the price it's fine and it's a good option if you don't want to pick your skin, but you still want to take those blackheads out. I think that is a good option. To be honest, the only head that I found useful is this one, which is a smaller one. It's a smaller size, and I think because the suction with the smaller smaller size is more powerful, so it will take your blackheads out more easily. The other heads I don't really like. I didn't really like it, to be honest, especially the bigger one, it didn't take anything out at all. But this is for sensitive skin. This is what they say on the instructions. So yeah, I think overall I will give 7.5 out of 10. I will keep this one because it's useful anyway. I once pick my skin this way. It doesn't take everything out, but most of it, yes. So I'm more than happy to keep the product and, you know, use it time to time. I found that while you're using it, it dries your skin a little bit. So afterwards, I will wash my face and use the moisturizer. If you liked the video, just let me know and smash that like button. And yeah, share, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. And thanks for the support that you guys give me. And I guess I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.